So if you're looking for a way to get some really nice looking small product photographs easily and economically, take a look at this Pelouse Lightbox. And this is the small version. I believe they have two other sizes that are a bit larger. And the one that I got came with several different backgrounds. And mine has a single light bar here with 20 LED lights on it. And you can also get them now with a double light bar, one in front and one in back. And I probably recommend that version. But although I have no problem getting plenty of light out of this box, and it comes with a cable that you plug into your USB charger. And you'll notice that when you do plug this thing in, this gives you plenty of light. And in my case here, I've had no problem hand holding my cameras, whether you're using a digital SLR, or many times I use my tablet or a phone, and you can shoot either right from the top, so you're photographing your product right overhead, or you can also shoot right from the front like you normally would. So either way, it's going to give you plenty of light. And if you do have a problem holding your camera steady, of course you can always use a tripod. And this is really a nice alternative to using a large softbox or an umbrella, which I'm still using. And I also use kicker lights and reflectors. But this is just an easier way. And if you don't want to spend all that money on that huge equipment and complicated, because you have to learn a little bit more about lighting, so this is an easy way to get it right and very, very economical. For under 20 bucks you can get this box. So for those that want to learn more about small product photography, I've included a link below to the course that I'm offering, where we go through all different forms of light that you can use, different backgrounds. We also cover the light box, and there's a light tint that gets covered, all different aspects of that. And I've also included a link to this particular light box that you can get. This way you're able to help support this channel, so I'm able to do videos like this for you on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching.
If you want to deliver great content, you need a great workflow. The problem is that it's always a race against the clock. You plan, and you prepare, you shoot, and shoot, then you wait. And finally, you wait. What if you could regain lost time and start the finishing process the moment you get the last shot? With the new Narbox, let your work flow. Narbox 2.0 SSD is a rugged backup device for content creators who prefer to travel without a laptop. Unlike other portable hard drives, we have assembled an ecosystem of mobile applications that serve the professional workflow from the field to the studio. New to the Narbox experience is an onboard display and 4-button system, giving you the industry's fastest file transfers with custom folder trees and a checksum confirmation, without the need for a computer, phone, or tablet. For more control over your backups, use the new SafeKeep app to view connected drives, organize and rename folders, manage your auto backup settings, and even sync to Dropbox. In the Selects app, photographers have an optimized environment for fast file viewing and culling of thousands of raw photos. A simple set of tools let you rate and organize using EXIF metadata, preparing you for the edit at home in Lightroom. Using the Sequence app, you can now quickly play back high-res video, set edit in and out points, create bins, and even render files into ProRes. Any edit you start in the Sequence app can be exported as an XML project into Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro, bridging your workflow from the field to the studio. To make social content and stories easier when you're on the go, we've partnered with industry leaders LumaFusion and Adobe Lightroom CC to bring top-tier mobile editing experiences to our platform. The new Narbox system is supported by an Intel quad-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, up to 1 TB NVMe SSD, an SD card slot, 2 USB-C ports, and a replaceable battery. You'll be able to review 10 hours of 4K video, back up 36,000 photos, or move a terabyte of files on a single charge. Connect the micro HDMI to any monitor or TV and use the Showcase app to play back photos and videos in full resolution.
At Narbox, we believe in making the creative process easier for anyone with a camera. Narbox 2.0 will save you time and make you a more reliable creator.
With enough support from the community, we aim to begin manufacturing in September and deliver to backers in December of 2018.
Along the way, we've worked with professional photographers and videographers whose feedback helped us reimagine the potential of mobile workflow.
This campaign is our biggest step toward that goal, and we need your help to make it happen.
We've already designed Narbox 2.0 SSD, validated our thermal systems, and are ready to meet an IP67 standard.
Please join us in creating the next evolution in mobile workflow.
What we do here is go back.
Opkix develops technologies to make recording and sharing video simple. Our Opkix One comes with a smart egg and 2 cameras that are crafted with aerospace aluminum housing, sapphire glass, and components made of real gold. It is a first-of-its-kind, social-inspired video camera that gives you the freedom to record and capture videos at a moment's notice. With millions of investment dollars, tens of thousands of R&D hours, comprised of over 1,300 components, over 200 engineers across 4 continents, our shared vision is a testament to innovation in hardware and software in one tiny, lightweight camera, the OptiX One. Our OptiX One cameras will revolutionize how you record and share videos. Video just got social. OptiX, bringing the world together, one video at a time.